So what exactly will happen when you long and short the same crypto at the same time? Now, this is exactly why futures arbitrage is one of the most popular arbitrage out there, helping traders gain a lot, from their businesses, especially when it comes to arbitrage, right? If you're an arbitrage trader, this class is very important for you. I explained it a few days ago, but today I plan to re-explain it again so that you can understand it. Watch this video till the end so that you would get the idea, because I've gotten about 6 to 7 people who have already started making money from this process. All right. Now, this video is not teaching you how to make money. This video is not teaching you how to make money. It is not a guaranteed income. It is just a strategy called the futures arbitrage. And in fact, I'm teaching you how the futures arbitrage works. Now, a lot of people are so scared of futures. They are so scared of the futures market. Of course, what is the futures market? Futures market is a prediction market on any exchange where if you think the price would go up, you have to long. And if the price starts going up, you make money, right? If the price starts going down, you start losing money. Now, arbitrage traders came up with an idea known as the futures arbitrage. So how does this works? So this is a very unique arbitrage style where traders can predict up and down at the same time and still gain rewards from it. All right, now let me explain. Now let's use Bitcoin for an example. You want to do futures, right? And you want to do futures arbitrage, but you are so confused about the outcome. So this is Bitcoin right now. Let me go to the price of Bitcoin. And of course, I'm going to come to spot market, and this is BTC. A lot of people are so scared. They don't even know if Bitcoin is coming down or going up. So the futures arbitrage helps you put the two of them at the same time. So you're going to put Bitcoin for long, maybe on Binance, and put Bitcoin for short on maybe Bybit. When you long Bitcoin on one exchange and you short Bitcoin on another exchange, one thing must happen. And that one thing is that on on one of the exchanges, you will definitely start making some profits. All right, because one of them will be going up and one of them will be going down, and Bitcoin must do one of these activity. So either Bitcoin starts going down, and let's say you start earning, let me use for example, you long Bitcoin on Binance and you short that same Bitcoin on Bybit. All right, so one of these things will happen. If Bitcoin starts going, I have to do this again. Let's say this is Binance, you long, and this is Bybit, you short. One of these things happen because if Bitcoin starts going up, this one becomes correct and this one becomes wrong. All right, so you make money here and you lose money here. Okay, but if Bitcoin starts going down, okay, if Bitcoin starts going down, it simply means you are making money on Bybit and you are losing money on Binance. Okay, then put it like this. So, futures arbitrage simply means we are giving you the ability to do two things at the same time. One of them is going to happen. Now, let me show you exactly what it means. So, let's say you have $100 as your trading capital. Okay, and now you want to use this $100 as your trading capital. You want to do futures arbitrage. This is just a tutorial that teaches you how it works. Now you want to get back your capital. In worst case scenario, you get back your capital, right? So let's say you have two exchanges which you want to use with to do your futures arbitrage with. Let me use Binance here and Bybit here. So on buy, you share your money into two. You put $50 on Binance, you put another $50 on Bybit, because the total money is $100. So on Binance, you decided to long. Okay, let me use green. Let me use color green as long. So forgive me, this is not color green, but I may just use anything to signify green. Okay. So on Binance, you decided to predict the price of Bitcoin will go up. All right. and on Bybit, you decided that you're going to predict the price of Bitcoin will go down, definitely one of them will start, one of them is going to happen. All right. So after like 10 minutes, you found out that on Binance, Bitcoin has started going up, and Binance, your $50 you put on Binance has actually earned, let's say, $64 for you. Okay, sorry, I want to use green for profit and red for losses. Okay, let's say the $50 you put on Binance, for your futures trading has earned, let's say, $64 in profit from $50. Right. Now it means that the $50 you put on Bybit would have started losing. You'd have lost money on it. So let's say if you have lost your $50 on Bybit, let me use red, is now $40, which means you have lost $10. After 10 minutes or after 20 minutes, you have lost, after 20 minutes, you have gained 64 on Binance, and you already have 40 remaining on Bybit. Now, after that time, after 20 minutes, you decided to end the trade. When you end the trade, you have a total of 64 plus 40, so which gives you 104. So if you add this and this together, you have 104, which is bigger than the initial capital you have started with. And that is how the $4 became your unrealized profit. That's how they call it. All right. Okay, after you have closed the trade, it becomes your realized profit. This is exactly how futures arbitrage works. Now the question is it possible for me to use Bitcoin all the time? No. Is it possible for me to use Ethereum to do this? No. So what kind of cryptos can I use to do this? Now you cannot just do this with any crypto, because most people think that you just go and open with any crypto and you're going to earn from it. The answer is no. There are specific kind of cryptos you will use, and even me, I don't even know the kind of cryptos. Okay, what I know is that there are exchanges that give signals for this kind of cryptos. I taught it a few days ago, and so I'm going to show you how to find these cryptos that you can use Bitcoin, but not all the time. So how do you find the particular cryptos to long and short, and on what exchanges can you do this? So for me, I use the arbitrage scanner. The arbitrage scanner is a tool that helps me with, signals on what exchange and what crypto that I can use. This is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. It's not a guarantee. This is the reason why I'm always mentioning this, so that you will not think, and once you do it you must make money. No. All right, you have to take away any thought of guaranteed income, because it is all strategy. All right. Now, the arbitrage scanner is not free. Okay, I've actually subscribed to it, and this my link is going to be in the description. So if you use my link to register and subscribe, you get 1 free month. All right. So without saying much, let me just get straight to show you um how it works. So I'm going to come to arbitrage product. Now I recently learned about this. Before I only use the screener. Before I only use the screener, but right now I'm using the perpetuals, which is for the futures arbitrage. So perpetuals is for this future arbitrage I'm talking about. So these guys have already scanned through the internet. They have brought out beautiful ideas on the particular exchange where you can buy. Now I don't even touch all of this. I just leave all of this like this and scroll down. Right. So this is the currency pair and everything you need to do. I thought this on with using my system the other time. Okay, so you can actually do this. Now, if you come here, my phone is not too big, so my phone is a very handy phone, so you can actually do whatever you want to do. You will not be seeing your full screen. I'm doing this for people who are using their phone to trade. Now you can see the crypto is DAM USDT. Okay, I'm going to come to this buy exchange and sell exchange. So this simply means that on for the crypto dam is, you want to look for crypto dam, and on crypto dam I have to long it on KuCoin and short it on Bing X. Now this simply means that, oh, this is the so DAM is the particular crypto that I can use for this. If I use Bitcoin, I will not make any profit. But if I use DAM, the chances that they are going to be spread is there. And in fact, to confirm this, I can scroll like this to see the volume. Volume is people who are actually how much money have been running on this arbitrage for the past 24 hours. You can see about $87.15, and this is because not too many people are doing it. You can see about 0.97% for spread. This is not your profit, it's your spread. Okay, and entry and exit spread, this is just everything you need to see. So I like I mentioned the last class, I prefer not using this kind of spread. I prefer using spread that are higher. This is because it gives me more ability to earn more. All right, so I prefer using this spread that is 9.7%. You can see it down over here. So basically, if you scroll down, you see much more percent. So I can scroll down to see what is running here, and the crypto is flow USDT. I can actually long flow on HTX, which is OB, and short it on Binance. All right, and the spread is there, everything is there. I explained how it works already. Okay, I explained how it works already. Now, does this means you have guaranteed profit? The answer is no. Okay, because this is trading. You are seeing 9%, but it doesn't mean that you're going to earn 9%. It could be less than that. All right, but it is because this particular tool have been used to scan and process several arbitrage opportunities, especially when it comes to futures trading. All right. So let's talk about how much it costs. Okay, I talked about this the last time. How much do I subscribe for this tool monthly? So you can see my platinum stuff is still active and is expiring on the 27th of this month. And certainly before then I would have subscribed because I use this tool a lot. I've been using it for the past 6 months, more than 6 months, or like 9, 10 months right now. So if you follow me a lot, I talk about arbitrage scanner on some days of the week. Okay, and of course, like I mentioned, I've been an old user, so I have a very special package. So if you use my link, definitely you get 1 free month for platinum. Okay, so you can go check out the particular plan you like, and certainly you'll be able to make use of it. So I hope right now that you have been able to understand the um the futures arbitrage and what it means. Now, must you use arbitrage scanner? The answer is no. You must not use arbitrage scanner. You can actually just randomly look for any crypto you like and do your long and short, but the difference is that you might likely slide into a huge loss. Like it might not tally because all of these things have price differences. Okay, it might not tally. You might make small profit, or you can make a small loss. All right. The only difference between using arbitrage scanner and doing by yourself is that on one of them you have done you have they have done the research for you. On the other one, if you're doing by yourself, you have to do your research by yourself. I've traded without the arbitrage scanner and still earned. All right, and I just use arbitrage scanner because I don't really have the time to start doing all of those research. So I rather pay the fee and just use the opportunities that are there. So I already understand that you've gotten the whole logic in this whole thing, and you can ask questions down below. Definitely, I'll be there to answer you. If you love videos like this, give this video a like and let me know what you've learned, and of course how you understood these things down in the comments area. See you on another one, guys. So have a very wonderful day.